Working in the design industry, we all know that we usually end up creating tons of file versions before the final design is done. Design 1, design 2, and so on, until we finally land on the last one. To make this whole process easier, Affinity has a feature called Snapshots. It's not for taking screenshots, but think of it more like a restore point or a checkpoint. It lets you jump back to an earlier stage if something goes wrong. So for example, I have a design here and I can save a snapshot before continuing. To do that, just go to Document and click Add Snapshot. You can change the name as you like and click OK. Besides this, you can also open the Snapshots panel by going to Window, General, Snapshots. Then the Snapshots panel pop up. Inside the panel, click the plus icon to add a snapshot. Then give it a name. I usually just use numbers. It's simpler. Then I'm adding more shapes to build the layout. At this stage, I can save another snapshot. After that, I keep designing and adding more shapes. And let's say I mess things up. No problem. I just open the Snapshots panel, pick the stage I want to go back to, hit the check mark, and snap. My design goes right back to that point, including all the layers. It's a total lifesaver. And here's the cool part. Even if you close and reopen the document, your snapshots are still there. With snapshots, you can keep your whole design progress in just one file. No more saving design 1, design 2, design 3, and so on. When you need to show your work to the client and they request changes, you can simply create a snapshot before you start making edits. And that's pretty much how snapshots work in Affinity. Have you used this feature before? Or do you have any tips about using snapshots? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and bye.